What's up guys, welcome back to the videos. I forgot to shoot an intro to this video because I got so excited that I was doing something on the car, on the R32. So this next set of footage that you see will be from this past weekend. We went ahead and painted the brand new, or not brand new, but repainted the intake manifold to give it a nice black color going with the gold valve covers. And then also too, Shane and I went to a meet on Sunday night. The footage isn't that great. The lens I'm shooting on right now hadn't come in yet. So this is my brand new lens. So hopefully we'll get some better footage in low light going forward. But we're gonna go ahead and start the video and enjoy. And hopefully here going forward in the next couple days, I'll be able to go and look at the car again. But I just haven't had a chance to run down there. But enjoy the video guys, we'll see you. All right guys, we're back at SRT today, and what we're doing actually today is we are actually going to take the intake manifold and we're actually going to re-wrinkle paint it. So right now we got some wrinkle plus. What I'm doing is I'm going ahead and scuffing down the intake manifold. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this down, get it nice and ready for paint. We'll tape it off, and we are going to get both of these done. This is part 2 of the GTR video. Obviously part 1 is already up on the channel. So part 2, we are going to be doing this and a couple other things going forward. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this done. Alright guys, so we got our super sweet paint booth set up right here by the dumpsters at SRD. And essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to let we haven't hit it with any paint yet, but we've got it all taped off, and we're going to go ahead and hit it with the VHT Wrinkle Plus and try to get a nice fresh coat on there so it doesn't look like poop anymore. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll set the camera up so you guys can watch my super sweet paint skills. So here we go. All right guys, so we got the first coat on. It's looking pretty good. Obviously it's not wrinkle yet because it has to sit in the sun for a little bit, but we're gonna hit it with one more coat after this, after it sits in the sun for a little bit. So let's let it dry, and we'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, what is up? We were taking a quick break from the Skyline Part 2, and we're going to go actually to a meet that Shane is taking out the 8.6. So you guys have seen this car, but recently he just got a brand new bumper put on. They paint matched it. Everything looks good. He's got some new decals on there, and if you know, you know. But the car's looking good. So we're basically, it is Sunday, and we're basically just gonna head out and check out this meet. Take his 8.6 out. We haven't had a chance to go out with the car, so we're gonna take a quick break from the Skyline and do this tonight. Maybe I'll get some footage of some cool cars. I don't know what's there, so but yeah, this is gonna be fun. You want to put some directions real quick in your... Actually, I gotta just... This guy thinks I know directions. Yeah, right. Oh, that's demonetized.
Sorry.
It's all right. There's only like as long as I think it's less than 10 seconds, it doesn't matter. Because I put I'm too sexy in the airsoft video. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah. So again, if you guys have not seen the inside of this car, it is absolutely ridiculous. 2 Sparco buckets, full cage. Got our gauges here.
Don't pay attention to this.
Don't pay attention to what is that?
Shut up, Brian.
What is that? Oh God, that's a.
It's my hand, dude. What are you talking about?
Look at that shifter. I wonder if it actually works. Oh, it doesn't.
Fuck you. Wait,
that's a big rip. Yikes. He's fixing that though. Dude, kit.
I understand myself. I brought my.
Oh, you guys can barely see it, but this is fucking kit, dude. Oh my god, this is so bad. Well, there you guys have it. That was pretty lame footage. It was kind of dark. My new lens didn't come, so you know, not everything kind of played out. But you know, this is our post meet Taco Bell. I gotta say, it's been a while since I've been to going to meets, and the scene has changed. Like, Shane and I are very much into the JDM culture in Japan, and a lot of these kids don't know any of it. Like, some of the guys that were with Shane with the 8.6s didn't even know what initial D was. Like, I've got, you know, it tattooed on my arm, and it's interesting. Like, I feel like the scene has changed a lot. I feel like I feel old.
Well, even past that, it goes to the car scene. Like, they didn't even know what a Trans Am was.
It's interesting. Like, it's very interesting. It's not a bad thing. Not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying because the scene has changed. I just feel old now, and so I'll be interested when we get the Skyline back up and running, and when we go to a meet and see what it's like, and see if it's any different. If that car gets different reactions from different people. But I mean, I had fun, and we were getting hungry, and the meat was kind of dying. So, and yeah, so deuces, and until next time. All right, guys, so behind me is my dad's R35. Now, you guys saw the other day we put the charge pipes and the blow-off valves on, but this has brand new rims on it that you can't see from this angle. So what we're gonna do is I actually have the keys to the R35, and sorry, Dad. Actually, I'm just kidding. No, we're just gonna take it and take some photos, some really cool shots of the car with the new wheels. So you guys are gonna see those here in a second. I'm gonna take the car, go get a nice cool spot, and do some really cool shots of it, give you guys a good look. Oh, you almost saw him. You almost saw him. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that right now. So the next shots you see are gonna be the reveal of my dad's brand new wheels on his R35 GTR. So the other thing that I'd like to point out that this is the first time I've ever driven this car, and I gotta say, just getting in it and sitting here is freaking badass. But anyways, let's go do those shots. So there you guys have it. Brand new TE37 Ultra Track Editions in Blast Black on the R35. He's been wanting these. He found a set, and now they are on the car, and he's one step closer to this thing being an absolute badass ride. I mean, it's already sick, but man, this just makes the car look completely different. So very, very cool. I'm excited and he's got other things planned. Obviously, we just did the charge pipes and the blow-off valves, so now we've got the freaking T37 Ultra Track Edition 2s. I'm kind of jealous. I'm not gonna lie, kind of jealous. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm pretty jealous. All right, guys, what is up? We are finally back at SRD. It has probably been a couple weeks since the last update in this video. We were back here, the engine is in, and we are probably about to, very close to starting it up. We just put coolant in the radiator. Brandon is priming it right now. Oops. So I'm gonna walk over and show you guys the engine in the car, and we might even get a start up. So look at that. Look at that, boys and girls. She's in. She's looking good. Meticulous man over here, dude. Just put in work. Absolutely meticulous. I mean, this thing, you could eat off of it, dude. Like, this guy.
It's clean.
It's, oh, she clean. It's looking good.
We gotta shut.
Just priming it up. Just getting her primed. All right, guys, she's all primed. We're just checking for some leaks right now, which I think we're good. And then it's time. The first start, literally. How you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good.
He's man of many words. Yeah, he's just checking right now, make sure there's no leaks, make sure there's nothing dripping or anything like that. And then we have the igniter unplugged up top, so we'll go ahead and plug that back in, and she should fire up. All the dash lights that were on, there was the oil pressure light and everything was on from when the car went boom boom. So now that's all gone, it's all reset. So we should be very close. T-minus like 2 minutes, and I think this thing might be purring like a kitten. Or a badass tiger. I'm gonna call it badass tiger, probably is better. Guys, so the last update in this video I think was probably a couple days ago when I think probably 2 or 3 days ago when we had the car get started for the first time. We are now officially, I'm in the truck with my uncle. Say hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey. So we're actually on our way to SRD right now. The car is officially done. They made sure that everything was, you know, no leaks, made sure everything was good to go. There was a small leak, obviously after the first startup. I didn't expect there to be no leaks. Super small leak, fixed. They went through everything today and basically test drove the car, and so we're on our way right now to pick the car up. I'm excited, I'm nervous. It's been a long journey with this, so I'm nervous as hell, and I'm looking forward to getting in the car. So we're on our way right now, and once we get there, I'll give you guys an update, and we'll drive the bad boy. We're gonna drive it back to the shop and give it a wash because it's got like an inch worth of dust on it. So we're gonna give it a nice wash and hopefully get some shots cruising in it. So let's do that. We'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're about to get in it. Here it is. I've got my camera set up inside, so I'll try to get some shots. Let's give her a start up. Here we go. Oh my God. We're gonna get it back to the shop, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a wash. I've got the camera set up over here, you can see, so hopefully we get some decent footage. Let's give it a ride and just have some fun. We'll get back to the shop and I'll get some shots for you. All right, guys. Oh man, it's so good to have this car back. All right, guys, we got her all washed up, as you guys saw in the video. That's it. We're gonna drive her home and we might take it out tonight, but man, it's been a journey. It's been crazy. The next video you guys will see, actually I'm doing some mods on this thing, so if you guys are enjoying the content and you're finally ready for the R32 videos to keep going forward, then smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and man, I'm so excited to have this car back and I just can't wait to enjoy it. So I'm gonna drive this thing home and enjoy it, and maybe take it out tonight. And so deuces, guys, I'll see you next time. With that, love y'all, peace.